everyone and welcome to today's video. So today is all about the products I use to keep my hair healthy. Now I was asked this by one of my lovely subscribers, so I thought what better time to do it than now. So I've brought with me all the stuff that I use, how many times I wash my hair a week, all that jazz. So let's start off with how many times I wash my hair. Bertie's here. I wash my hair twice a week. Max, twice a week, usually on a Sunday and probably midweek. I don't wash it any more than that. My hair's really fine, really thin. I just use dry shampoo, put my hair up in a ponytail, good to go. Washing, now, okay, this is not sponsored. I actually bought this myself because everyone was raving about it. This is the Function of Beauty. This is the subscription shampoo range where you they custom make a shampoo for your hair situation, so whatever you want. You pick out 5 things that you want to strengthen, lengthen, scalp, moisturize, and they concoct a shampoo just for you. And I was really skeptical about this because obviously a lot of influencers promote this, and I haven't been offered it, but my sister said it was really good, so I thought, okay, I'll try it. And as you can see, I've had this, no word of a lie, for a year. And when I first started using it, I was like, okay. But my hair I've chosen like length, strength, growth, and my hair has grown so fast. Usually my hair takes ages to grow, but I don't know if it's this or what, but I like this because it's a big bottle, it's got a pump, it lasts you however long however often you wash your hair. And then they can send it to you when you run out. And the brilliant thing about this, I don't know why I'm giving you all the oomph because I'm not being sponsored for it. But the brilliant thing about this is, I'm getting a coughing fit, is that you can cancel anytime. So I ordered this and then I cancelled because I didn't want a recurring order because I take forever to finish certain things like this. So I'm going to reorder this because I really like it. Now, you get a conditioner as well, which I haven't used hardly because you don't go through your conditioner as much, and I switch up my conditioners. So this is the conditioner. It's fine, but the shampoo's brilliant. Oh, you also choose your colour and your scent. So I think I've got peach, so quite nice for summer, and I might change it up for winter. So that's what I use. Then alternatively, I will use a purple shampoo just to take the brassiness out of my hair. Now this, I got at a hairdresser years ago. When they recommend a product and you use it, and I've just been using up. It's the Magnesium Silver L'Oreal Professionnel Neutralizing Shampoo. It's what I've got. I use it. It works really well. It kind of blends in my darker tones in with the blonde, and it just keeps, it doesn't give you that white effect. It just kind of blends everything in and kind of tones it. It's actually like a toner. It's really, really good. So I use this about once every 2 weeks. And then depending with the conditioner, I'll alternate that between a mask type conditioner like this one, which is the K-Pak Color Therapy. So this I like to use every other week on my ends just to keep them really nourished. I really like this. A lot of people have spoken about this. This is the Luster Lock Instant Shine and Repair Treatment. I really like that. Just keeps your ends nice. And then, as where styling goes, I like to blow dry my hair because I like to get volume in my roots. But I use this heat protectant all-in-one. It's the Redken 25 Benefits all-in-one multi-benefit hair treatment, and it protects your hair from breakage, protects your hair from heat, detangles it. I've got very tangly hair. And this is amazing. A brush just glides through. Now, speaking of brushes, it is important to get the right brush. And the best brush ever is the WetBrush paddle brush. I got this because I watched an episode of Queer Eye and Jonathan Van Ness recommended this to a girl who had really tangly hair. And I was like, I need that because Tangle Teaser does not work for me. It doesn't, it snags. Wet brush, but particularly this paddle brush, glides through my hair. Like if I've got any knots, it just glides through, especially if it's wet and you need to brush your hair. That's why it's a wet brush. But life-changing. absolutely brilliant. I wish when I go to hairdresser, I could take this brush with me, because the worst part of the hairdresser for me is being in that sink and then combing through your hair with a brush. And my hair is just so knotty, and they're like brushing from the top of your head. And I'm like, I'm sitting there with my fist, because it really, oh my God. And it just gives me such stress. And I wish I could just say, look, could you just, do you think I can? Can you just use my brush? Because this works, it just glides through. I don't get any pulling. Oh my goodness, that's the most stressful part of the hairdresser for me. Okay, and then the last thing I do is I'll put in a hair oil. This is the Hask Monoi Coconut Oil Nourishing Shine Hair Oil. I'll just put that just, you know, through the ends, so it just kind of, you know, and that's it. And I think, you know what I think it is? It's probably colouring. I mean, I hardly colour my hair. I colour my hair like once a year or every 6 months. I think maybe that helps. And just sticking to a routine and not overwashing. You don't need to overwash your hair. And my hair gets greasy, but so what? I use a dry shampoo, and I love that Living Proof one. So I use that just in my roots. It smells really nice. I put it in today, and it just kind of gives you that, you know, longevity, extra long of your hair. Do you know what I mean? So, and it makes it smell nice as well. So yes. That's it. God, that was a short video. Oh my God, I don't like short videos, do you? You know when you see someone's got an 8-minute video and you're like, I need 40 minutes. You know? So yeah. What else have I got to tell you about my hair? That's it really. I'm gonna have a haul coming up soon of some bits and bobs that I bought. Can't wait to show you. That will be later this week. I still have my pumpkin spice latte coffee to show you. I've had a mare with Nespresso. Actually, it's not Nespresso, it's the delivery. Somebody stole my Nespresso pods off my doorstep. I'm not amused, but Nespresso were very good and sent me a replacement. So now I can't leave things in my safe place, because it's obviously not a safe place anymore. Well, there we go. Anyway, I hope you're having a great week, and I will chat to you soon. Leave your video suggestions below. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.